Okay, so I think I got the sweet spot for the LED bar with no glare on the windshield. That's it. It's nice. I'll give you more sample. I want to make sure that there's no cars in front of me when I turn it on. So unfortunately, I cannot try it here. So if you hear there's a whistle that's on the light bar. So I have a fix for that. So make a video on the quick fix on that, which I also got from the internet on YouTube. So okay, so it's dark here. So let's try it now before the car comes close. So it's like that. It's nice. There's no glare. So I love it. So again, before there's a huge glare on the part of my windshield, like half of my windshield, there's a glare on it. So now it's better. Then another example on this part, when I turn it on, the top of those pine trees are lit up, but not anymore. So this is way better, way balanced. So yep, I'm happy. So guys, that's a short video I have. Uh, Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on my channel. Please don't unsubscribe. Please share.